Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to show you one magic spell. Are you excited? Okay, let us start. First of all, read this word. What is this? See the picture? This is cup. Okay, so now I'm going to do the spell. I'm going to use one E here. Okay, so now you see what it has become. See the picture? It has become cube. Did you understand anything? No? Okay, let me explain. See, when there was no E, then we were reading this word like ka, a, b. We are pronouncing the letter sound. After I added this E, we have started reading the letter name. Ka, u, b. Cube. Understood? Okay, let me show one more. See, what is this? Pin. Now, what it has become, you see here, I have added the magic E. Now, what it has become? Pine.